Live from San Diego, this is the Fox 5 Morning News at 8.
Surf photographer Aaron Chang is here. How he's using his art to help save the ocean. Plus, Rich DeMiro. Time now, 8:15. Let's get you over to Raul.
All right, Shali, thank you so much. Surfrider will be hosting, get this, their 17th annual art gala and auction. It's happening this weekend. And with us, the honorary chair and internationally renowned photographer, Mr. Aaron Chang, is with us, along with executive committee chair Jake Sneen. Gentlemen, good morning. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you.
Boy, our studios look like an art gallery. This is beautiful. Thanks for bringing all this stuff.
It's a
amazing.
pleasure.
Okay, Aaron, really, if anybody you know Aaron Chang's name, obviously, at the top of the game in this medium. How did you start specifically doing like surf photography? Because a lot of people try to catch those moments and those waves and things like this. How did you get to that point where like, man, you got this?
Well, I melded a swimming career with a passion for surfing and an interest in photography. And when I was a young surfer, I moved to Hawaii and I wanted to communicate the beauty that I was seeing. So that's how it came about.
What do you look for? I mean, when you look at something like this, you can get lost in this photo probably for a very long time and different nuances and everything you see. What draws you to a certain image and a certain picture when you take these pictures?
Well, any good art has to have a quality that transcends the image. You know, I'm looking for things that inspire people, that connect them with nature, that make them have a sense of wonder. Those are the things that I'm looking for.
Jake, remind everyone, we know here in San Diego what Surfrider does, obviously, but remind folks who may not know how important and vital it is, the work that you're doing.
Sure, it's really vital. As you can see with the sewage spill that just happened in IB again, and the beach closures down there, we've got our work cut out for us, and we're protecting all the beaches from San Onofre all the way down to IB, so it's critical.
I mean, I feel for the folks in IB, they deal with this so often. What can be done that we can do more to help the folks down there?
So we're putting a lot of pressure on our elected officials to make sure that the infrastructure that's needed gets built on both sides of the border to protect us, and we're trying to hire a policy person to really drive that issue forward.
Good, good. And how did you guys get involved there? And how did you get involved with Surfrider and vice versa?
Well, I've been involved with Surfrider for over 30 years. I grew up in Imperial Beach.
There you
go.
go.
So I was on the front lines testing the water there.
And even back then, you were doing that.
Yes, and what's interesting is now we're living through a worse situation this much later, and when they asked me to be the chairman of the art gala, I had to step up.
Does it kind of hurt you as an artist and a lover of all this stuff to see what's happening? Because it's gotten worse over the last 30 years.
You know, it's a tragedy, basically, and it's right in front of us, and we tend to ignore it because the ocean absorbs all these elements. So I think it's just time for us to raise awareness. That's part of what we want to do at this art gala.
Okay, let's talk about this big fundraiser. The good thing is you can bid on a lot of these items that are here in our studios. You don't necessarily have to go and be there in person. You can do it online as well. Tell us all about what's going on here, if you don't mind.
Sure, yeah, we have an online auction going on right now. You can access it through our website, and if you want to come to the event, it's a really fun event. It's great. We've still got tickets online, surfridersd.org. It's going to be at Paradise Point on Friday night. And we're going to have a lot of great people there. We've done an amazing job reaching out to the art and fashion community with Aaron, the environmental community, the business community. We're all going to be there to celebrate the coastline. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Fantastic stuff. We just showed you the information. Let's put it up again. Surfrider San Diego's annual art gala and auction. It's happening Friday, May 12th. The doors open up at 6 p.m. Paradise Point Resort. Boy, it's beautiful over there. $125. But again, if you'd like to bid on any of the items in our studio, you can get online right now. Fox5sandiego.com is the place to go. Gentlemen, thank you for being with us. We appreciate it. Keep up the good work.
Thank you.
All right, let's get over to you.
All right, gentlemen.